That's an amazing banner you made. Tell me why you made it and why you're here tonight.
Hi, Susanna.
Hi.
We're here at 6th Avenue and 12th Street in the West Village. I made this banner to promote the town hall that we're having next week, Tuesday night at 6 p.m. at the LGBT Community Center between 7th and 8th Avenue on 13th Street. The banner is made like the floor plan of a luxury condominium apartment. It's got 2 bedrooms, 3 maid rooms, a fur vault, a silver vault, a gymnasium, a sauna, a very large kitchen, a chef's office, a dining room, a library, a gallery, a private room, and a TV and an entertainment center room. But nowhere on this floor plan does it say emergency room, admitting department, cardiology, pediatrics, oncology, OBGYN, or infectious diseases. That's because the condominiums that Bill Rudin is putting up in place of St. Vincent's, there's no full-service hospital there, and neither will there be in the urgent care center that they will be putting in across the street from the new luxury condominiums. And we're out here tonight on this cold night passing out flyers so that people will join us for the town hall next Tuesday night.
Thank you so much for everything you're doing for our community, for all the communities in New York City, because we need hospitals and healthcare throughout the entire city, and this brings awareness.
Thank you.
Thank you.